Hey people, do you feel frustrated because your stock investing is still not making money? Now, you know that you are not lazy. You have paid lots of good money to learn about stock investing. You pay for courses, you attend trading courses and everything. And you have dedicated your time, spent countless of hours trying to get better by practice. But you are still not making money and you feel frustrated, right? If you feel like that, I tell you what, this video is for you. And while I'm telling you about this video, I'm going to also show you two animals that is going to be related to what we are going to talk about today. Okay, ready? Okay, stay tuned after the break. Alright guys, the first animal is obviously the elephant because it's an elephant in the room. It's something you just can't ignore. Okay, maybe you have started investing for the past 1 year, maybe for the past 5 years, but you just can't feel that you are really making a net profit from your investment. And why is that? Okay, it's not because you are stupid, you are lazy, you don't spend, you're not good enough, you're just no good at that. It's not about that, because what I'm going to tell you today is going to blow your mind. Now, I'm going to start with an example. For example, at the time of this recording, you should have known that there are a lot of cars out there, maybe you're driving Honda or whatnot. There are cars out there that are issuing, maybe your car, your manufacturer are issuing a recall for the airbag. Now, why? Why is that? Now, the matter at hand is that there is a massive Takata, what we call Takata airbag recall. Takata is actually the manufacturer for this, a lot of cars airbags, and it's a Japanese manufacturer. And you see that, you know that Japanese are pretty well known for being very high quality, their goods and things like that. And so when something like this scandal just erupts, right? And it just come out of the blue, okay, and you can see that its shares has dropped tremendously. It's almost dropped to zero after this scandal actually surfaced. So if you are investing in company like Takata, there is no fucking way you can know, you can anticipate this is going to come, because if you analyze before this scandal actually come into light, the company itself is making money, the cash flow is very good, it's a Japanese company, what else can you expect, right? Japanese company, very good company with a very long history, and still they have this scandal, and at the time of this recording, this company Takata is actually filing for bankruptcy. So if you're invested in company like that, it's going to hit you, okay? It's going to hit you. And the second case study I want to show you is it Kobe Steel? Okay, and this is more recent than Takata airbag, and you can see that over here, its share price just plunged like overnight. You can see that on the right hand of the screen, right? It's because there's another scandal. Again, it's a Japanese manufacturer. There's another scandal because they are actually cheating on their product specification. Now, it might, like the title said, it might spread beyond Japan because this kind of steel is used in a lot of vehicles, even airplanes. So if you're invested in Kobe Steel, can you anticipate this kind of thing is coming? Okay, this company is very good, Japanese manufacturer. They are well known for their quality. And I tell you what, if you are working in any manufacturing environment and you know that the Japanese are pretty nasty, they are pretty strict, they are pretty I don't know what's the word, but they are just very focused on quality. Because I used to work as an engineer in a company where a supplier, not a supplier, our customers are actually Japanese. So we sell to those Japanese companies, and even though, let's say we sell 100 units of whatever stuff, right? Even if there's one unit which have quality issue, they're going to screw you until you cannot walk. And that is how strict the Japanese companies are. But now the Japanese company themselves, they're having they're actually cheating, something like that. So hey, what can I say about that? So, but my point, if you are invested in company like this, then you're going to lose a lot of money, and regardless of how many were the top-notch investing course that you go to, regardless of how many countless hours you do doing trading or value investing and all that, because this kind of thing is going to hit you out of the blue and you cannot be prepared for that. And also on the local fund, if you see that in Malaysia, this is one of the company that actually have its shares going down the drain, right? And if you're invested in a company, it's because this company also filed for bankruptcy and they have a quality issues. Okay, this company is actually service provider for a lot of oil and gas company. So you can see the news over here that the Petronas actually bars them from various jobs in the future, any tender and anything like that. So this company really going down the drain. If you were invested in this company, it's going to bring down your investment. Like it's really virtually you can't really recover from that kind of events anymore. So this kind of event that you cannot anticipate, what do we call that? As I promised, I'm going to show you the second type of animal that's related to our discussion here is that a swan. What is a swan? Okay, you see the picture over here. Swan, what do you know? What do you know about swan? I know that it's mostly white in color, but the thing is, when it comes to a black color swan, how rare is that? Okay, how rare is that? Now, investing, this is the term, okay, you need to remember all those events are what we call as a black swan events. Because a black swan event is an event, occurrence that deviates beyond what is normally expected of a situation. And it's extremely difficult to predict because the term was popularized by a finance professor, a writer, and a former Wall Street trader. Black swan events are typically random and they are totally unexpected. And the thing is, when black swan event happens, it's unlikely to happen. But when it do happen, it have a very, very severe consequences of impact to your finances if you are invested in that. So this is, of course, a term that can be used anywhere. But when it comes to investing and when it comes to the three examples I've just shown you, this is going to impact your investment. And that is why, okay, even if you have five stocks in a portfolio, one incident like this is going to wipe out all your profit or gains for the past 5 years, and also going to wipe out all your profit or gains for other stocks as well. So you should stop, okay? You should not dwell too much on this, because it's not, like I say, it's not you being stupid, you're not good enough, or you're just not good at this. So stop feeling frustrated, helpless, useless, paying more and more, or spending more money, or spending more hours only to get subpar or mediocre results in your investment. Of course, this is what I tell my clients. Of course, I can't promise you any kind of guaranteed return, but this, of course, I've solved it, how to prevent this from happening. Okay, of course, I have ways, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep this video pretty short. I'm not going to bore you with boring stuff. So if you think you like this video and you want me to be hitting you with more of these informative videos, so go on, okay, click on my face, click on this channel, click on Facebook, wherever you are seeing this video, and hit on subscribe at the next screen. So I'll be hitting you more with this kind of video.